So, it's just funny. So if you're tired of seeing nature videos, you might just want to skip this one. Because guess what? More nature! We're in Alaska, and that's what happens when you're in Alaska. Right? Right. Nature. So, probably going to be a waterfall. There's going to probably be a tire swing pretty soon. And then 6 hour or some odd drive back to the Fairbanks. Whew, it's kind of hot out here. Probably because of this. But whatever. It fixed my hair problem. I got a picture. It looks like my hair had a heart in it the other day. It's great. Tire swing. Waterfall. That's not the waterfall I was talking about. It's going to be a bigger one. Or I might go see another glacier. Sweet. Stay tuned for that. I told you. Nature. Let's go look at this stuff. We're gonna go climb onto this piece of wood. Did I say wood? Piece of glacier. I don't know what I'm talking about. Cool. Is this it? This is all that's left?
The glacier itself is around the mountain.
Oh, it's over in there.
There's a trail you can hike. There used to be a trail.
Yeah. How long is the trail to get to the glacier? It's Can you make it to? It's actually getting colder the closer I'm walking to it. Word. So it's not as cool as the other glacier, but look how deep this is. There are 2 rocks here. There's a piece of glacier on the ground. Can you see it? Yeah. So there's 2 rocks here. See how good you got? Maybe. Cool. I'm gonna fall in. Bless you. Cool. And then if you go up this way, apparently the whole thing's there. My foot's getting soaked because it's like. Okay, gotta go. I'm gonna throw this. Gotta throw this ice over here. Get. Top piece of glacier. Look at our mind.
Wow. I want a picture of you.
Yeah, take a picture. Would you like a picture? Yeah.
Cool.
It is getting cold in my hand, so I'm gonna do it to it. Set up. Now he's like, see you. I'm gonna throw it over here. Let's see. Yeah. Oh man, it sounded like metal. That's crazy. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then we out. Wait, this is cool. Stand right there, baby. I can see you with my glasses.
Hello, baby.
Hi. So I decided to come over here, and now it's like, how do I get back? Because I'll slip on it. So I'm gonna try to jump. I'm gonna try to jump to see if it works out. I feel like I'm probably gonna fall into this one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! I made it where I thought I was gonna make it to.
Oh my god.
My foot's cold.
You got wet feet.
That's what I think of that.